Hello, in this video I want to show you how to begin Express 14 minutes program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to pick the Express 14 minutes, which is located all the way down on the right side with the knob. Then we can adjust the temperature, or actually you can't, sorry. So that means you can only wash it in 30 degrees. Then there's the speed rotation, and we can adjust it by clicking on the rotation button. Time manager is not available. There's also those four buttons. First one is the pre-wash is not available. Delayed time that we can set, that means you can start your program delayed. For example, in 2 hours, when we click on start, it should begin in exactly 2 hours. Easier ironing is not available, and extra rinse is also not available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.